we are on part 16, and we're on this next part. We're going to be making our top view now. And so one of the key factors is that our top view is the same distance from the front view as the right view is. So if this is 20 millimeters in between, it needs to be 20 over here. Yeah, I think I'm going to do 25 on this. So I'm going to get in my guidelines and just get a line going straight up. And we're going to go up 25. Okay. And since I'm doing it, I'm just going to go ahead and put one over this way, 25 as well. So our guidelines are set, and I'm just going to copy the first part of this bottom. So I'm going to copy these bottom lines, and I'm going to take it from the midpoint and then place it up top there. And actually, I know that there's 3 lines there. I'm going to delete that one because that one's not actually there. So what did I do? I took these lines down here from the bottom, and I just copied them right up top. Okay, so we've got our start. And then we can get our 15 up right there. Let's just go and work from that point. I'm going to go up 15. Let's switch to my other layer. Let's go up 15. And then I'm going to come over, it was 14, the radius was 7. So, and then I'm going to come back down. Okay, this one's actually a guideline, so I'm going to switch that over. And I'm going to jump back to my guidelines and carry them up. So anywhere there's an edge, I know something's got to happen. Okay, and I've got that one. So our circle's a little off center from our other one. I'll just bring it all the way up to there. We'll snag it a little later on. Okay, and this one's coming up here. All right, so anywhere there's an edge, we should be good to go. My guidelines are set. Then let's work around this outside, and we need to know how far this edge is over here. So we need, it should go back total of 36, it says right there, and then that's 10 down. So I'm going to go 26 and then another 10. 26 and then another 10. And then the back edge is 96. We'll go to 96. And then we can just bring that down. I had those 10 down, so there's an end point right there, and I can just bring this across for my top line there. Okay. So circles, that's what we got next. Let's go ahead and make some circles. So I'm going to push C for circle. And then there's a circle right here, and it goes off of that midpoint, right? And we're going to start from the center, and I'll drag out, and it is that wide. Okay. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and trim that because I don't need this inside part, and unfortunately, I got to do it a couple more times right there. I got one of my guidelines, and I don't care. I'm done with it anyways. So then I'm going to draw a line from this corner because we need to find that center point of that circle, right? And it's over 12 and up 12. So if I go 12 and then comma and then 12, push enter, and there's my center point for that circle. That is a guideline, so I'm going to switch it over. And then I'm going to get my circle command with C again. And I'm going to start going, and the size, I've got 2 circles. One is a diameter 10 and one is a diameter 7.2. So if I want, well, let's do the easy one. So it's 10, half of that is 5. So for the radius, start another circle. And then you'll notice down at the bottom, I just put in the radius. That was the default, but I could put in diameter and click on diameter. And we know that the diameter of this one is 7.2. 7.2. So I could use my mirror for this to bring it to the other side. F8 is still on, so I threw that guideline to the other side. Now I can just copy these circles from this point to that point. And are we done? Yeah, we'll get those hidden lines later, and we'll get our dimensions on there later. But there is our top view. I'll go ahead and turn off my guidelines so we can have a look at it. And all the edges are there. Wow. Good luck.